Hi everybody, and welcome to our first video tutorial in my photography course. Thank you for taking this class. I know you have a lot of different options with vendors, but I promise you that by taking this class you will learn how to use the camera to the best abilities. So this is our first video tutorial. This is week 1, day 1, and the whole week here we are going to be learning about how to use the Google Classroom system. And this is just so we get prepared to use this class. Now some of you may already know how to use the Google Classroom system, but for those of you who don't, we're going to walk you through step by step. This particular video, we are going to be covering how to use the Chrome browsing system, and this is the browsing system that Google wants us to use. So you just select the icon on your desktop, it'll take you into the internet the Google way, and then from there we are going to be adding a Gmail account. Now I'm going to go over to my computer and we're going to start. I want to make sure that when we are connecting to the internet, we can immediately access our classroom by going to a Google landing page. So we're just going to go ahead and go to a Google landing page, type in Gmail sign up. You're going to have a couple different options to kind of get to this login page. But once you're there, you're going to find you can put in your information, your first and last name, and then you're going to want to apply that email account that we assigned you. So it's going to be your first, last name, probably a couple letters and numbers, and then it's going to end with at my arts class. And this is the account that we want to be in whenever we get into Google. Whenever you push on Chrome and you go into the internet, these settings should be already applied. So let's go ahead and get out of this for a second. What I'm going to do is go to your Gmail account and show you what it's going to look like when you first log in. So let's bring up a Gmail account. You can see when you bring it up, they're going to give you a couple, index boxes that kind of show you around. You can see that there's Google Meet app here in Gmail, and then there's also this other application over here. You can read about those and learn about how to, navigate the Gmail account later. But we are going to be looking at this app list up here in the top right-hand corner. There's the Drive and there's the Classroom. That's where we want to live. And there's our Gmail account there. You may want to check that every so often. But we're going to go into Classroom. And now that we are in Classroom, you should see your class or an invitation to your class to come up. It may say invitation to join photography class. If you don't, push on this plus button to join our class. Just push join class. And what you'll do is copy and paste the code that we sent you in an email. If you need us to send it to again, we can send it to you again, but you should have this code. Once you push this code in, you're going to push join, and from there you're going to have access to our photography class. So I'm going to go into my example here. You can see we're in the stream. There's 3 areas of this portal. There's classwork, stream, and then on the other side there's people. In the stream we have announcements, sort of in a lineage of things that were assigned, and then upcoming due dates. It's good to check that once a week, usually on Monday. There's you're assigned to the class. I'm the teacher, Brad Smith, and there's our classwork. This is where we're going to spend most of our time. So when you check in, this is where you look for our work. The first video that we have in here is how to connect our device to Google Classroom. So go ahead and select this, open up the video, and we will get into our next tutorial.